Ever wonder why disasters are happening more and more frequently since the past few years? No wonder, it's fulfilling all the Bible prophecies, and we are in the end time. Are you ready to welcome the Lord's return? And according to God's words, only the wise virgins will welcome the Lord's return, and those who don't welcome are the foolish virgins. Then who are the wise virgins? Are they those who goes to church regularly, have many good deeds, have deep knowledge of doctrines, with external good behavior or fasting prayers? Those are the qualities of the Pharisees and religious leaders who reject, condemn, blaspheme, and crucified the Lord Jesus 2,000 years ago, and Jesus told us that not even those who perform signs and miracles are wise virgins. Do you want to know? Well, the answer are hidden in the Bible, and we must seek it through only God's words. Take this opportunity as a calling from God. It's a high time to seek God before it's too late. Days of Noah has come now, and we must seek the end time ark in order to be protected and be saved by God.